Can you still hear it? Good job. Very good, sweetie. Yay! You did good.
You did good in the hearing test?
Good.
So now when mommy talks to you, you have no excuse.
Say the video is for when you become a teenager. Right, mommy? It's when she become a teenager. Say, look at you. Look at how innocent you were. Alright. You were so amazing. You know that? You're going to learn good at school.
Good job, Gabby.
It feels tight.
It feels tight. A hug. I was giving you a hug. One more thing, mommy. I'm going to do a temperature, okay?
I didn't do a good job on this side. I had that side. I want my pillow.
Okay.